Mastering the art of persuasion. Understanding to butter someone up. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, to butter someone up. This expression is colorful and vivid, and understanding it can add a playful dimension to your English conversations. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it effectively in your daily communication. To butter someone up is an idiomatic expression used to describe the act of flattering or praising someone, usually with an underlying motive of persuading them to do something in your favor. It's like applying butter to bread, making it more appealing. In communication, buttering someone up makes your request or opinion more palatable to them. The origin of to butter someone up can be traced back to ancient customs. In India, it was a religious practice to throw balls of clarified butter at statues of the gods to seek favor and forgiveness. Similarly, in Tibetan culture, making offerings of butter sculptures during New Year celebrations was believed to earn merit and blessings. These practices highlight the essence of the phrase, doing something to gain favor. Using to butter someone up in conversation requires subtlety and context. It's often used in a playful or mildly sarcastic tone. For example, if someone compliments their boss excessively before asking for a day off, they might be buttering them up. It's important to use this expression in appropriate settings to avoid misunderstandings. I noticed John was buttering up the teacher by complimenting her teaching style, probably hoping for a better grade. Before I asked my parents for the car keys, I spent the day buttering them up with chores and compliments. Understanding and using phrases like, to butter someone up, can make your English more colorful and expressive. It shows not just a mastery of vocabulary but also an insight into cultural nuances and expressions. We hope this video helps you in your journey of English language learning. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about communication, culture, and connection. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.